In today's video, I want to show you something that I actually didn't figure out myself, but one of my clients, because they're exporting a lot of their tables to Excel, which is fine. I mean, I'm okay with that. They just want to double check something, so that's fine. But here's the issue. They told me we are exporting to Excel, so we are clicking on a table in Power BI, and then all our exports look like this. They have this really strange naming convention. Everything has underscores, and we don't know how to fix that. Can you help us? And I was a little bit confused because every time I used export to Excel, I actually get like the title of the table I want to export as name. So I asked them, when does this happen? Because I want to figure out how I can help you there. And they showed me the page, and then they even exported it. I was in a call with them, and I saw the really strange naming convention, and they even couldn't open the file because they had all these underscores. And then Excel said, the name of this file is too long, we can't open it. So what happened if you have the same issue? I will show you in Power BI. So this is a Power BI report, and you see I have some KPIs and some visuals, and here we have a table. Let's zoom in a bit here. They would go to the table, and we click on the three dots and export data, and what happens? I get asked, how do you want to export? I do this, and you see it here. I get a name, data something. So what happened in their case is I click on edit and I click on my table, go to the format pane. If I go to title and I turn that on, but I keep it empty, there's nothing in there, there's just some blanks in there. And then I go back to the reading view and I do this again, export data. You see, we actually get this underscore in there because the title is enabled, but there's nothing in the title. So Power BI just exports this as this underscore. And in my case, we see one underscore. At my client, they had like 200 underscores. So if you struggle with that and you get like an export that has this underscore, it's because the title is turned on, but there's nothing in it. And you see that a lot in tables, that people turn it on, but then they're like, I see what's happening. I don't need the title. And then they just remove everything, but I don't turn it off. So it's still enabled. So you see the fix here was we go into edit mode, click on it, format pane, and then we turn off the title because we don't need it in this case. We don't want to put in anything in there. And then if you save it and you do the export to Excel, and now the name will be date, which is still a little bit vague, but at least it's better than endless underscores. So I thought, let's share this because I didn't figure this out myself. It was a client of mine, and I'm very happy they showed me. I didn't know about this, so I thought, let's share this.